welcome, good afternoon. We're going to Oshawa this wonderful afternoon. This night I'm gonna be announcing at an Ontario Tech game. Come along with me on my journey. God bless you. All right, so I'm just heading down to the VMC station. We're going down to Oshawa. This beautiful tunnel.
Next station is Highway 407.
We are back at Ontario Tech University. I'm just walking down over to the gym. I was supposed to be here for 5, but you know, the early bird gets the pizza, not the worm. Nobody likes worms. Don't be disgusting. It's a rainy day, and honestly, I'm not particularly fond of it when it rains. I'd much rather prefer snow than rain, honestly speaking, but thank God this is not a soccer day.
The first thing to typically do is to walk in, set up your desk, make sure the music is going so the players can do the warm-up to it, and I always like to make sure I'm moisturized and everything is just feeling right.
Typically, I don't like to wear my glasses in videos and photos and stuff, but you know, if you can't see, you can't see, and all the way from out here, you got to be able to see everything.
Around this time, players would normally do some of their very specific warm-up routines, like handling drills, finishing drills, and some basic passing drills. Warm-ups would normally go for another 20 minutes until they go back to the dressing room again to get some instructions, and then they're back out again. When the players are gone, it's always a good time to check the microphone to make sure it's working, make sure my water is warm enough just how I like it, and make sure that all the equipment is just flowing smoothly. Games are usually pretty affordable, and about 30 minutes to game time, they may start letting people inside. It's always pretty nice to do one last check, just to make sure everything is working and the experience is up to its peak. One thing I put a lot of effort into doing is pronouncing names properly, because nobody says anything if you do it right, but if you get it wrong, your parents and friends always come to bother you. So you'll often see me make notes like this, and I also have the chance to note any scratches, which is just basically any players not playing today. One thing I always notice is that a lot of coaches know each other, so they always spend time to say hello, and finally they do their final warm-ups.
Yeah, give us a smile. Look like you're having fun.
Stats and life scores is easily the hardest job, so I give them props whenever I can.
All right, let's get right into it.
Today's OUA regular season match features the visiting Lakehead Thunderwolves and your Ontario Tech Ridgebacks. Ontario Tech University acknowledges the lands and people, home, real estate, and of course, Bruce Power. The national anthem is brought to you by our very own Earth Zone. And this time, please welcome the starting 5 for Lakehead University. Number 15, Your Jack. Number 11, Kelly and Alright, Ridgebacks, please welcome your starting 5 for tonight's basketball game. Live from the CRWC, all the way from New York, it's number 4, Quincy Ochiwasu.
So right now there's some kind of intermission that's going on between the refs, and we're just stopping the game. My friends over there give me a little bit of information for the game, and we use that to just keep everything updated. up the first half of play. The women lost their game, but it was still good. You know, we saw some improvements. Some players were out injured, and we're getting better at it. I want to show you the view from up here. We're about to go back for the men's game. Typically, I may have about a few minutes in between just to eat some lunch if I need to. So I'm gonna eat a jam sandwich that I made because I'm hungry. I won't lie.
Late handball. Keon Baker. Jesse Okeke off the glass. Keon Baker. Baker. Emmanuel Okonkwo.
Put him on skates. Hold up. Oh, come on, man. Oh, why are these guys slipping every time?
Out of bounds off Lakehead. Ridgebacks ball.
Bro, why are these guys shooting so much? What's happening?
Out of bounds. Ridgebacks ball.
There we go. Gotta keep your head in the swivel. Oh, hush. Broski needs to relax, man. Like, who do you think you're shouting at? Yeah, I want to throw hands at somebody real soon, man. Don't worry, I got you guys. You gotta scrap. I got you. Die for it. Good. Oh, put him on stage. The court can't be that simple.
Hi guys, you better follow.
Follow what? Follow Jesus. That's an
Follow, they are start my own soon.
Right here is trying to honor Taylor Swift for no reason. Absolutely uncalled for. Didn't even think about buying tickets for this tour.
No.
But all of a sudden,
Broke, man.
he's Taylor Swift's best friend and personal DJ. What kind of fruit is this?
Tangerine.
Your favorite tangerine model. You know Tangerine sponsors the Raptors, right?
What? Jump ball?
That is a jump ball and possession. Will swing to your Ridgebacks.
There we go. That's a foul, yeah.
Keon Baker with the floater.
Down by 6. Oh, starting to get tense. 4-point game.
So now we're outside just waiting for the go bus, about to take another 2.5 hour trip back home. Some people may think, whoa, that's a really long time.
Honestly speaking, in Canada, we're very used to it at this point. Trips like that are the norm for a lot of people. I was a commuter student in university, and I used to make this kind of trip all the time. So it is what it is. Put on a movie and just get used to it. Turns out that I must have mistakenly dropped my tripod on campus, and now I have to do every single clip holding my phone now, which is fun. But in everything we give thanks, okay? I'm just grateful to God for every opportunity that I have. It is 12:26 and I'm just finally getting back home.